What's up, guys? So for today's video, I've been watching a lot of North Borders YouTube channel. I mean, super cool, awesome channel about photography and like car photography, and just really cool. I really enjoy their channel. So he did a video about how to make money with photography. He was just going around a bunch of different like cafes, barbershops, car dealers, and just trying to get business like on that spot. So today's video, that's what we're doing, guys. We're trying out the North Borders way of doing business as a photographer. Hello. Hi, I was wondering if I could speak to your manager by any chance?
What is it about?
I'm a local photographer. I was kind of coming by, seeing if they were interested in photography for like the social media, website, all that cool.
I don't know where he's at right now.
Okay.
Can't find him?
Yeah, no problem.
We're so busy right now.
Thank you so much for your help, right? I appreciate it.
Yeah,
all right,
you're
thank
welcome.
you.
Have a great day.
You too. Hi, dude. I was actually wondering if I could speak to your manager by any chance. He's not here. Do you know when would be like the best time to catch the manager? You're like, I don't know, dude. I just
here like for sure 12.
Yeah, awesome, dude. Well, I'm gonna leave my card just in case. I'm a photographer slash videographer, so I was just kind of coming by if you guys are interested in that. Alright, dude. Thank you. Appreciate it, man. You too, man.
Great.
Hey, actually, I was wondering if I could speak to your manager by any chance.
They're not here. I don't know when they'll be back. Okay. They might be interested. I'm not sure. Let me text her.
Yeah, so that's me. That's my information.
Kevin.
I'll just try to come back maybe some other day.
Saturday.
Yeah, awesome. Perfect.
But I'll give her this and then I'll text her and then just stop by just in case.
I have not talked to any managers. Everyone is unavailable. Maybe I came at a wrong time. I'm gonna keep trying to go, see if I can actually talk to a manager because I haven't found anyone. As you guys notice, I'm trying to ask what time I could find a manager. That way I can come back on said day and set hours to try to talk to the managers. In the end, they're the ones that kind of like can make the decisions. North Borders made it look so freaking easy. It's a little stressful. Oh, Valerio. That's a Mexican spot. So you know they got pan dulce. Found a couple of cafes right down the like little like boba shops down the street, so we're gonna hit those up. So the place I'm going to right now, it's a new cafe, so I'm hoping that since it's new, they might not have like a social media person or someone already doing their photos. Persistence is key. Someone's bound to fall for my trap and hire me. That's what it seems like. I'm doing something bad. Let's go see where their managers are.
Manager?
Yeah. I'm a photographer from the area. I was just kind of wondering if like they'd be interested in like some cool photos or video for like social media and stuff.
Yeah, so I'm doing the same thing. And I even tried first day like to do it. But
Yeah. Oh, really?
You know, like, I'm going to Valley right now. I'm transferring in the fall to
Oh,
LA.
dude, awesome.
My main goal is like DP or
Dude, that's what's up. Dude, let me get your info. Maybe we can like shoot someday or...
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, dude, awesome, bro. Kevin, bro.
Juan.
Dude, nice to meet you, Juan. Awesome. So yeah, a whole lot of no's, definitely, but no one really said no. There's no managers, the usual, or email the owner. So yeah, definitely gonna be emailing some of them. Yeah, right now I'm gonna go do like the last of these. I'm about to call it a day. Hi. I was wondering if I could speak to the manager.
Well, we're the owners.
Oh, okay.
We don't have a manager. We don't want one.
That's the best. I mean, heck yeah. Photographer from the area, now just kind of coming by, you know, shops and stuff like that. So
Yeah.
if you're interested in like photography for like your social media, website, all that cool type of stuff, then we could definitely do something like right now if you guys wanted to. Just a couple of photos and have it edited and delivered to you guys within that.
Well, I have to get my husband over here. He's
No problem.
talking to some friends.
I get it. You know what? If it's fine,
It's something I'd have to talk to him
Yeah, no,
about.
definitely. Yeah, I can
Yeah,
come back some
like,
other
give
time
us your
when
card
the
and-
friends aren't around. That way, you know, I'm not intruding.
Let me talk to him and I'll reach out
no
to you.
problem. It's completely fine. If anything, I'll drop by some other day.
Okay,
awesome. What was
sounds
your name
good.
again?
Jennifer.
Okay, Jennifer. My name is Kevin. Pleasure talking to you, and hopefully
All
we'll
right.
see you soon. Okay.
All right.
Bye. Have a good one. That's it for today, guys. I went to a total of 14 spots, and yeah, gonna go try to get a beard trim and look a little better. So if you haven't seen the North Borders video about how to make money with photography, essentially what he does is that he goes to a bunch of businesses and he tries to get like business on the spot, like offer them his photo services, make quick money that same day. And that was essentially what I was trying to do as well. And if you see the video, he actually fails a lot of times, or he gets rejected rather. Honestly, in the video, he manages to actually get one client and then makes his money essentially for that day just by making one client, taking photos, and then actually he manages to get another gig just from that same client. So, you know, very optimistic, very happy ending, but reality is a lot of people said no to him, a lot of people said no to me, and that is just kind of the way the business goes. I guess kind of cold calling or cold going up to businesses, it's, you know, like expect a lot of no's, you know? So even though a lot of people declined the services on the spot or just straight up said, no, we don't need you, at least I got the opportunity to network and hand out a bunch of business cards, which, I mean, at the end of the day, you never know where that could lead. So, you know, if something comes from it, awesome. If something doesn't come from it, then, I mean, nothing was gonna come from it because you didn't go. So having have said that, guys, I really encourage you guys to take the initiative and definitely try to make business happen for yourself. Take matters into your own hands and don't just sit idly waiting for business to come to you, because I've done plenty of that, and honestly, it sucks. It doesn't lead to anywhere productive, and you just end up being like, damn, does no one like my work? Haha, self-doubts happen all the time to me. Anyway, guys, I really encourage you to do this, and you know, just keep that hustling going any way possible. Try to reach out to businesses and try to, you know, make those partnerships, make those connections, and you never know where that could lead. So thank you guys for watching this video. I really hope it was of somewhat type of informative. I know I was really just copying another YouTuber's idea of what to do, but I wanted to try it out myself, and I wanted to kind of film my experience of how it happened and what I definitely learned from that. And hopefully you guys can learn a little something about my experiences, and probably like maybe comment what I should have said, probably, you know, to maybe I said the wrong things. Yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching again. Hope you guys stick around for more videos, and yeah, have a good day, guys. Peace out. Bye.